Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Safa binti Manang. I'm here today is to do an interview question on users who are using Photopea application. Hi, I'm Safa, an interviewer. Can both of you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Nurul Ashkiming. I am the user who use Photopea application.
And my name is Ashira, and I'm the other user of Photopea application.
Thank you for the introduction, you guys. Okay, about Photopea application, I only know a bit of it. Like Photopea is an advanced image editor, which can work with both raster and vector graphics, where you can use it for simple tasks such as resizing image, as well as complex tasks like designing web page, creating illustration, processing photograph and more. And now I will ask first question to Nurin Ashikin. In your opinion, is the font style and font size used in Photopea easy for user to read?
In my opinion and my experience, yes. The style and the font size is very suitable that make it very easy for user to read. It's the perfect size and the style of the font used is very legible for user as well. From my personal experience of using it, I have had no trouble reading the font of the text from any instruction within the website itself. That is my opinion for your answer, for your question.
Thank you, Nurin Ashikin. Next, second question, I will ask to Farina Ashira. What are the parts of the workspace interface of Photopea?
Okay, the workspace of Photopea is very similar to other image editor. It consists of two bars on the left side, the sidebar on the right side, the workings are in the middle, and the top menu at the top.
Thank you, Farina Ashira. Question number 3. What the concept of layers in Photopea, Nurin Ashikin?
I will answer this question. The layer represents some part of the image. It is usually an area filled with transparent, partially transparent or opaque pixels. Each PSD document consists of layers. Layers are redirect one on top of another to create the final image. Generally, editing can be done in one layer at a time. Changing like moving, rotating, drawing into one layer does not affect other layers. Different layers present in the Photopea is shown in the below figure.
Alright, thank you. Next question. What the vector graphics in Photopea? Farina Ashira.
Vector graphic in Photopea has a rich set of tools to work with vector graphic. Vector graphic can be stored in path, vector mask, and shape layer.
Can I know how vector graphic can be stored in path, vector mask, and shape layers? Nurin Ashikin.
Yes, in my opinion, paths just like a list of layers. A document may contain a list of paths. They can be viewed in a path panel, like window to path. In this panel, you can select path, delete path, create new, rename them, and others. There is a special path called word path. By default, all vector graphics are stored in this path. When it is empty, it is not shown in a path panel. Meanwhile, vector mask. Any layer can have a vector mask. just as a raster mask. Vector mask defines which part of the layer should be visible and which should be hidden. Raster and vector mask can be enabled, disabled, or edit at any time without change the actual content of the layer. Okay, last but not least, shape layers. A shape is a layer containing only the vector shape with a color fill, a gradient fill, or a pattern fill. In fact, it is just a fill layer with a vector mask. Below is a standard layer with a vector mask and a shape layer is beneath it. That is my answer for vector graphic, for path, vector mask and shape layer.
Alright, thank you Nurul Ashikin. Next question I will ask Farina Ashira. How to remove fake transparent background?
Okay, how to remove transparent background? Okay, first you go to photopea.com, press file, then click open and open your image. Then press select, magic cut, you will see your image and final version next to it. If it is incorrect, look at our magic cut tutorial. Confirm it with the OK button. Now hit file, export as PNG and you are done.
Can I know how to do if I want to create a still image with an animated GIF?
Okay, for this question, I will answer it. First, press file. Click open and open your still image. You can press image and choose image size to change the resolution of the final GIF. Make sure it is not too large, like below 1000 pixels for both width and height. Large resolution require a lot of RAM. The process may crash on phone. If that happens, then press file, open again and open your GIF. You should see 2 panel steps in Photopea. Now, you only need to copy all layers of the second document into the first document, where the second document is frame of animation and the first document is still image. Look into the layer panel where it is located in bottom right. There is a folder named animated in our case. That contains all frame layer. Now right click that folder in layer panel and choose duplicate into. In the new window, choose the document with the still image as a destination. Confirm it with OK button. Then switch to the panel tab with the still image. You will see your GIF in the top left corner. Now click and drag it to a new position. Notice that a whole folder is highlighted, so you are moving all frames into this at the same time. You can even use free transform to make the GIF larger or smaller, or rotate it. Now press file, export as GIF, and a new animation is ready. Hit save to save it.
May I know how to convert sketch to PSD?
Okay, for this question, I will also answer it. How to convert sketch to PSD? Open a sketch file from your computer. Click file, open in the top left corner, then find and select the sketch file, or use drag and drop. You should see the graphic of the sketch file in front of you. Now just click file, save as PSD, and that's all.
Alright, thank you Farina Ashira for your answer. Next question, how to remove background from photo in Photopea? Nurul Ashikin, can you answer?
Okay, how to remove background for photo in Photopea. Okay, open a photo from your computer. Click file, open in the top left corner, then find and select the file in your device or use drag and drop. We have to do 2 steps. Select background, the hard part, and delete selected area. That is how to remove background from photo in Photopea.
Alright, this is my last question for this interview. May I know how to take a picture with a webcam with the simple way?
Okay, I will answer this question too. To take a picture with a webcam with the simple way. Okay, first you have to open Photopea and press file. Take a picture. You will see the webcam output in front of you. At the top, you can choose a camera. If your device has multiple cameras, at the bottom left corner, you will see the resolution of the image. Now, press Take a Picture button. You can close the window now. You will see your photo in front of you. Now, press File and then Export as, and you have to pick JPG and press Save. Your photo will be saved to your device. You can upload it to social networks, or send to a friend. That is how you take a picture with a webcam with the simple way. Thank you.
Thank you, Nurashitin, for your answer. Okay, now we are done with the interview. Thank you very much for the participate in the interview, and thank you for answering all my questions about Photopea application. That's all from me. Thank you to both Miss Nurin Ashikin and Miss Nofarina Ashira. Have a good day and Assalamualaikum.